Reports are great, aren't they? They can tell us a lot. But sometimes you need to know something more specific that a report doesn't tell you. For example, if a company wanted to see how fast inventory was selling and how its sales stacks up to other products in its glass category, you could look at the inventory turnover ratio. This ratio measures the number of times inventory has been turned over or sold and replaced during the year. It is calculated by dividing total purchases by average inventory in a given period. A high inventory turnover generally means that things sell faster, and a low turnover rate indicates weak sales and excess inventories, which could be a signal to sell off some of those goods at lower prices. This ratio, and any other for that matter, can be compared to industry averages to gauge competitiveness and performance within the same industry. Let's take a look at some helpful ratios you may not be familiar with yet, but will be good to know and use in your new bookkeeping life.